Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mary Kay YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous 2022 so far and you're sticking to all of your New Year's resolutions and goals. Today, I want to talk to you about an important step in every makeup routine, prepping your skin and setting makeup so that it lasts all day. Trust me, you will definitely see a difference in how your makeup wears throughout the day if you just follow these simple steps. First up, skincare. They say an artist is only as good as their canvas, and your palette should be cleansed and moisturized before you even think about picking up a makeup brush. I'm going to start by cleansing my skin with the Time-Wise Age Minimize 3D 4-in-1 cleanser and hydrate with the Time-Wise Age Minimize 3D Day Cream with SPF 30. You can work with your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant to find the perfect regimen for your skin. The next step in my makeup routine is primer. Here, I'm using the Mary Kay Eye Primer to ensure that my eyeshadow stays in place all day, followed by the Mary Kay Foundation Primer, Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 15. This primer fills imperfections and dries down matte to create a smooth canvas. Plus, I love that this product has SPF and the oil-free formula absorbs excess oil. After applying my foundation, I like to use the Mary Kay Silky Setting Powder to set it in place. There are 12 shades to choose from that help minimize shine, blur minor imperfections, and extend your makeup's wear. Start in the center of your face and buff outwards. This gives the makeup a polished look that I love. The final step for long-lasting makeup is the Mary Kay Makeup Finishing Spray by Skindinavia. A few spritzes gives makeup the staying power to last up to 16 hours. I also like to use it to refresh my makeup throughout the day. If you've ever suffered a makeup meltdown, try adding these steps to your routine to help your makeup last all day long. Thanks for watching. If you've learned something new today, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Mary Kay videos.